Good day, Bailey parents. This is Mr. Karampitan from Bailey Middle School. The purpose of this video today is to discuss with you guys our new middle school pandemic grade recovery plan initiative that we are working on. So, just a reminder, Thursday, February 25 at 6 p.m., I will be at the link that I will be providing you as a Google Meet or link tonight. I'll wait there if you have any further questions after watching this short presentation. Okay, for to answer specific questions that you guys have. Hopefully, I will be able to discuss everything and clarify all your questions through this video. That way, you don't have to, in order to respect your time. I know you guys got a lot of things going on that I may have answered already for you by after this video. Other than that, though, if you still have further questions, you could always email me or be at that link tonight. So let's go and get started. So, why are we here? What is the purpose of this video or this meeting that we'll have, or this video for you? You're getting this video because your scholar was not successful in at least one core class in his marking period 1 or marking period 2 or marking period 3 for the past semester. So that includes English, math, science, and social studies. So in other words, if they failed either math, science, social studies, or English for marking periods 1, 2, or 3, they would have gotten this invite, and this opportunity is for them. Okay? So to provide Spring ISD middle scholars an additional opportunity to master fall semester learning concepts and obtain a passing grade of 70. Okay, another reason why we're doing this is to provide an opportunity for our scholars who've been absent a lot, an opportunity to recover some of those absences. Okay, so when is the course timeline for this? Students will be given a maximum of 2 weeks from the date the module is loaded for the identified student to complete. So in other words, if you are going to get a letter, or you should have gotten a letter already from me at this time stating what was the course that you guys were not successful in, or your scholar was successful in, and what marking period it is. Then we'll just go by there and then look at it. We'll go in details with this, but right now, this is, if you want to screenshot this, and I'll also send this to you guys also via the same email, just the dates. Okay, so we have adjusted these dates from March 1 to March 12 is going to be for marking period 1. So if you weren't successful in marking period 1, you would have to complete those core classes by the 12th. Okay, and so marking period 2, the same thing, March 22 to April the 2nd. It just goes from there. We'll discuss this a little bit more detailed for specificity of your concerns, okay? But these are the timelines now. So if by this time, if you don't mind, when you guys get this, I'll also be sending this link again to you guys, is that there's a student contract and a parent permission form. We need for you to submit this form. It takes about 30 seconds to fill up. And then what it does is it gives us opportunity and then a record of who we're trying to serve at this time. So I will also send this link to you guys again once I send this video to y'all. So the grade rubric. So basically, what is the expectation? Students who successfully complete the modules with a passing score, it doesn't matter what their passing score is. It could be a 95, it could be an 89, but it has to be above a 70, okay? If they score above a 70, that means that they're eligible for their grade to be replaced. However, the maximum grade that they can be replaced with or by is a 70. So this, for example, right here, this 95, if world culture, let's say, for example, you finish it with a 95, unfortunately, your grade will be replaced only up to a 70. So an 89 would also go down to a 70. But the important part, ladies and gentlemen, is that you have now earned from what your original grade was. Let's say on your failing grade on marking period 1 on science, you got a 55, and you redid this class and you showed mastery of it. Now we're going to replace that 55 with a 70, and therefore you've earned your credit or your course grade at that time. So this is an example right here for a student, because you guys are going to answer this. By now, you guys should have gotten this already from me. If you didn't, please reach out to me. I will find a way to make sure you guys get it. So for example, this specific student, mathematics 7th grade, marking period 1, this student was not successful. This student got a 0, meaning never submitted anything. So now, March 1 to March 12, this student will begin his mathematics course or her mathematics course. Ingenuity. If this student gets a 70 or higher, this grade will be replaced with a 70. That 0 will be replaced with a 70. So now, once marking period to March 12 is over, let's say this student now goes ahead and, because this student was not successful in social studies, marking period 2, by March 22nd, this student will automatically be registered and enrolled. As a matter of fact, they're already enrolled right now to the class on Ingenuity. Then they begin their class in social studies and there through Ingenuity. Again, once they complete it with a grade of 70 or higher, they will be, this 59 will be replaced with a 70. Okay, so the same thing with marking period 3. This student now has more work to do because now he has two, or he or she has two failing classes on marking period 3, math and social studies. Therefore, this student will have to do double time and do work on both, and again will be replaced by the grade of 70 once they've completed and mastered and shown mastery. Hopefully this diagram illustration has clarified some of your questions as to when you will start. You guys should have, again, go back to your emails, moms and students. You guys should have this email sent to you already by now. If not, reach out to me, please. I'll put my email later in the back of this meeting, of this training video. Attendance requirements. Students will need to complete their course within the 2-week cycle. You only have 2 weeks to finish this course, okay? So from the day you started, which is March 1, you have 2 weeks till March 12 if you failed marking period 1. If, let's say, for example, you did not fail anything on marking period 1, then you don't start till whenever that marking period is that you're designated to start. So identified scholars can earn up to maximum 6 days of attendance recovery on your record. So if you've been absent 10 days and you needed those needed days to get back in order to get credit, then if you complete marking period 1, you will get 6 days of replacement attendance recovery for that. Okay. Again, the attendance and progress will be monitored by a facilitator, and we will be contacting parents of this, and that is why we need your information. We need an accurate information from you. That way we know we can contact you. Student expectations is simple. Make progress daily, required course. You know, in order to complete this, you have to do your work. You have to put in time. Remember, this is an individual, independent work above and beyond what you guys have already done in class. So we are just making sure that we're helping you be more successful, okay? Again, remember that Ingenuity is a self-guided program and can independently be accessed at all times. So there will be a video in there. You will watch the video and then you'll answer the questions and you'll answer the assessment, and then we move forward. If you have any questions, then you have your email, your primary teacher, and they should be able to help you out. Again, on top of what you do at home, we are also providing opportunities for you to access Ingenuity when you're at school. Before, in the morning, if you want to get there before around 8:15, there's always somebody already there. We're to have tutors there in the morning for you to have access with, to ask for help. And then also in the afternoon, the 21st Century program. And we also have tutors available to help you guys out. You just have to let us know, okay? What are the things that you need? Well, you need a headphone to access and listen to programs direct instruction. That way you don't bother anybody else and you don't get bothered. And possibly a light snack for, when you're doing the work. That's just something that, you don't have to have, but something's good because you need the energy. Okay. This is the team that we have. Ms. Brown is the head principal. My name is Mr. Karampatan. I'm Ms. Gilliam and Ms. Ashley Griffin are the points of contact for you guys, and we have also our primary teachers of the student that will be helping you out also, and then our tutors in the morning. If you have any questions regarding the specificity of what you're needing, please email me at this address right here at picarampa@springisd.org. Again, I will be at the 6 o'clock meeting today waiting for you guys if you have any questions. Other than that, I hope that I have clarified certain questions from you guys, for you guys. And again, I will see you guys later in the evening if you have any questions. I will send all this information to you via email, and have a great day.